Alright guys, I am doing a huge Instant Pot recipe as you can see. So what I have here is, this was on sale, these are just stewing pork. And I have some pork chops here I'm going to be throwing into the Instant Pot, all of this into the Instant Pot. So, stewed tomatoes, mushrooms, corn, chickpeas, 2 cans of chickpeas there, and some Swiss chard. So I'm going to put it all into the Instant Pot, and that's going to cook it up. It's going to bring up some nice broth, just like last time. I've done a recipe where I didn't include Swiss chard, but this time I'm going to be putting Swiss chard in there, putting the meat and the stewed tomatoes, really make the broth come out. So I'm actually going to season it with some garlic salt, some celery salt, and some black pepper and white pepper, and of course some oregano and some other spices. So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is stage 1. I've seasoned the meat, and now I'm going to add some water. I'm going to add the stewed tomatoes in there. I'm going to add the chickpeas, and then the corn, the mushrooms all go in there, and then the Swiss chard on top. So just stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's all in the Instant Pot, so it's ready to go. As you can see, the Swiss chard's in there, added some water. So I'm going to be hitting the poultry button to cook this up. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to, once it's all done, I'll do a quick taste test and show you how it tastes. Alright guys, it is all done. Check this out. So we're going to do a quick taste test. It's a nice clear broth. Check this out. Take it. That's really good. It's got the taste, it's the sweetness of all that stuff. The corn, the chickpeas. You got the taste of the tomatoes in there as a hint. Let's do a quick taste test here with just a little bit of something there. There we go. It is really good. It's probably one of the best soups I've ever made, guys. Check this out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.